Hi guys, it's Belle and welcome back to my channel! Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. So for this day's video, I'll be unboxing this microphone and sound card I got from Shopee. The brand of this microphone is Maono. This is what I really dreamed about when I was still young. And now it's here. Lipay kayo ang bata. Stay there and help me unbox this. Let's read the instruction. It's good kasi may may freebie siya na earphone. Instruction is, let's open this. What is this? Okay. So this one here to your laptop. So put it to DOD output 1 and then put it here. Luckily, because it has freebie. Yay! Thank you! So, lagay nyo siya sa headset, of course. Lastly is your microphone. Got your cable. Okay. Then, put it here. Is it low bat? Wala. Hello. Hi guys, I'm using my microphone now. So, I think mas malakas dito. So guys, I'm using the sound card. Can you hear how beautiful it is? So, there's an error in my end. There's no music, so let's try and check. I was able to fix it now, so let's try and sing. Ika'y dumating na parang ihip ng hangin. Ako'y nakahinga dahil sa'yo. Ito ka sa aking tabi. Dito ka lang. And that's it. So that's it for today's vlog. Next time na lang yung cover song talaga kasi yung oras ko every weekend lang. So weekdays, I have work at night. Gising sa gabi, tulog sa umaga. Ganun ang aking peg. Maganda to sa mga sa mga voice over. So you can use this effect, yung original lang, yung walang echo. So I can use this on my yung mga voice over ko ng mga walang kwenta sa TikTok. And yeah, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope nabudol ko kayo. Pero guys, kung hindi nyo naman kailangan, wag naman magpapudol. So, kung lang talaga, kung may budget lang, kung gusto nyo talaga pag-ipunan nyo. Kasi kung gusto nyo talaga yung makuha yung bagay, gagawa kayo ng paraan sa mabuting paraan. Yun lang. So, yes. Thank you so much sa pag-watch ng aking video, and for the next video, hopefully it's a cover song na. And that's it. Bye-bye!